Earning extra money while doing a full-time job is easier than ever with today's digital tools. Start by freelancing your skills on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork during your free time. Sell digital products or stock photos online. Use cashback and survey apps like Swagbucks or Rakuten. Create a blog or YouTube channel to generate passive income. Offer online tutoring or consulting in your area of expertise. Invest in dividend-paying stocks or peer-to-peer lending. Even renting out unused items or rooms can generate side income. With consistency, these small efforts can grow into meaningful, flexible earnings alongside your main job. Crypto and binary trading offer exciting ways to earn money online. By analyzing market trends, you can trade digital assets or predict price movements for quick profits. Though risky, with the right strategy, research, and discipline, these methods can generate significant income, even alongside a regular job or other side hustles.